Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials and how do you create a newsletter in Mailerlite? That's the topic for today's video. So let's just go ahead and go to Mailerlite here, assuming that you've already set it up and searched it on Google. Creating a newsletter in Mailerlite basically can be intricate process with many components to consider if you want to make the most out of the platform's features. Okay, so setting up your account, basically all they need is an email address and a password. Sorry for that. And the other required details, basically you just need to verify your email address to activate your account. So once you already have an account, simply enter the credentials to access the dashboard like mine. So just go ahead and complete your profile. So business details, just go ahead and go to the account settings section, fill up the details as your company's name, physical address, contact information. This is crucial for compliance with the anti-spam laws with GDPR and CAN spam. So go ahead and verify your email address you used to sign up, as this will basically ensure you receive all notifications and can store your actions in your account if needed. So basically understanding Mailerlite's dashboard, so campaigns, create image basically, and basically manage your email campaigns here. This is where you will start creating your newsletter. Manage your email and view subscriber activity. This includes reporting subscribers and creating segments and analyze subscriber behavior. So create a sign-up form and landing pages to collect subscribers. Set up automated workflows like welcome series, drip campaign, or re-engagement campaign. Reports. Analyze the performance of your campaigns through detailed report statistics is basically it. And navigating the dashboard, search and filter. Use the functions and filters to quickly locate specific campaign subscribers or forms. So widgets, also customize your dashboard view with widgets that provide quick access to basically important metrics and basically recent activities. And also, just on your dashboard, click on campaigns, then create campaign. A standard newsletter or promotional email allows you to test different subject lines, contents, or sending times to determine what performs best. And resend your campaign to subscribers if it didn't open the first time. As I said, give your campaign a name that will help you identify it later. This name for internal use and won't be seen by subscribers. Okay, so draft a compelling subject. This is also one of the most critical aspects of your email, as it impacts open rates. And add a short pre-header if you want to. Text complements your subject line. This is basically very important. It appears in the inbox preview and basically can entice readers to open up your email. So choose the Mailerlite range templates, and templates are categorized by promotions, newsletters, brand consistency. Okay, add buttons with customizable text and links. Buttons are crucial for call to action, so CTAs. Social media blogs, including icons linking your social media profiles. I'm sorry for that. Resizing images, like move and align blocks to create a visual appealing layout. And use merge first time to personalize content for each subscribers. So displayed contents on subscriber segments or behaviors. For instance, if you show specific offers to subscriber based on their previous interactions. And upload list, import your CSV file for other platforms, segment your list, create segments, and based on criteria, location, behaviors, and or engagement levels. This allows you to target specific groups with basically tailored content. Basically, so define criteria, set up the base subscriber, purchase history, and that's just basically it. But ultimately, it has to be boiling down to how you provision your Mailerlite. So it's really hard for me to really pronounce Mailerlite. Here you go. So that's just it. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.